BMW is making major changes to the 5 Series sedan as part of its mid-cycle refresh, known internally as the Life Cycle Impulse. Unlike the usual minor updates that only tweak the grille or headlight design, this transformation is shaping up to be a dramatic shift. Recent prototype sightings confirm that the facelifted model will adopt key design elements from BMW's Neue Klasse concept, along with significant technology upgrades inside the cabin. Typically, automakers keep mid-cycle updates subtle. A slightly redesigned bumper here, a software tweak there, and that is about it. But BMW is doing things differently this time. The refreshed 5 Series will bring an entirely new front-end look inspired by the brand's upcoming Neue Klasse models. The headlights seamlessly integrate with a wider kidney grille, giving the sedan a fresh identity. This change has been hinted at for months. Back in February, a camouflaged prototype of the new BMW M5 was spotted, showcasing a similar design direction. That was unexpected, considering the high-performance G90 model had just debuted in November 2024. Meanwhile, the standard G65 series was revealed a full year earlier, making it the logical choice to receive an update first. However, it seems BMW is rolling out a significant refresh for both models just in time for the 2027 model year. So far, the prototype still lacks final production headlights and taillights, making it difficult to gauge the complete design. But one thing is certain, this is not the fully electric i5. The visible exhaust pipe underneath the rear bumper confirms it is a gasoline-powered model. It is also not the M5, which was previously spotted with a bold quad exhaust setup. Beyond the updated exterior, the interior is expected to receive a revolutionary upgrade. BMW has already confirmed that future Neue Klasse models will introduce a next-generation human-device interface. This system will replace traditional screens with a sleek panoramic projection display spanning the lower section of the windshield. It will provide real-time driving data directly in the driver's line of sight, with additional information available for the front passenger. This refresh is shaping up to be more than just a facelift. It is a preview of what is coming for BMW's next generation of vehicles. If you enjoyed this update, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive news.